Hello, I'm Amanda Blanks and welcome back to Shoes of Hollywood YouTube. We have another amazing review of a brand new boot. This is the Blondie, and we have done some reviews on a similar boot before, but this one has some extra special parts about it. This one has rhinestones on it, so I'll just give you the code close up in case you want to buy them. The link will be posted when they're available, so it might not be up straight away, so just keep looking back. This is what they look like. They are in the white color. The baby pink ones have already been reviewed before on our channel, so you can click back, have a look at them and see. They're brand new. They came out like a week and a half ago. So this is a very, very stunning shoe. It's a dual platform. As you can see, it's got the bit of the cutout here with the rhinestones in it. It's so shiny, and there's even like a bit of a gap at the back here, so hopefully you can kind of see that. But when they're on my feet, I'll show you a bit closer. Please always do really, really quality finishes. So this zip is definitely quality. It's not going to break on you. It slides easy, but it's very robust. And then I'll get the other one out. So I'm doing a size 8 today. I'm normally a size 7, as you'll know if you're a long-time viewer of the channel. But I do like to go a little bit bigger in the boots. They all have a nice little eyelets here, which are really sturdy. They're nice, like chrome, solid. So you can wrap the laces around, do them up when you've done it for the first time. Then once you've figured out how tight you like it, you can just unzip them, zip them on and off. So you don't have to do them up every time, which I think is an absolutely... There's stuff still in this. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a size 7. So... yeah, this is my normal size. So I'll see how this goes, because I have done a similar shoe in the pleaser in an 8. So yeah, I'll let you know how the, how the 7s fit. And of course, there's packaging in there too. The inside of this is kind of like a vinyl that you can wipe down as well. So if you get glitter or fake tan or anything on there, you can just wipe it out and clean them out really easily. So we'll put these, I need to loosen this because my foot is fat. So let's see how long this takes. Yeah, definitely need to loosen that. Or is it my legs? Who knows? Maybe I've had too many burgers and it's gone to my feet. This is a really, really cute style. I kind of feel like you could match this with anything, especially the white. You could wear it for a dress up. Okay, we're slowly getting in there. And the white is a shiny white, so it reflects a lot of light as well. It's not just matte and plain. Let's lace these up. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I definitely probably go an 8 in these. They feel like pretty tight around my heel. And I just like a little bit of extra room when I'm wearing boots. Okay. We'll do a bow. So yeah, again, if you want to know the code, it's BLR1020. They're called Blondie, but I am obviously a brunette doing this. But who knows, maybe I would look better blonde. No, I wouldn't. I had blonde hair when I was in like year 12 and it was awful, so... you will not see me having blonde hair on this channel unless I'm wearing one of the wigs, because Shoes of Hollywood have a lot of cool wigs here. And I do like dressing up in them sometimes. I don't know if you guys like me wearing them, but you can let me know in the comments. Okay. You only have to do this once. Once you like get the straps right, then you can just zip it up and put your feet in however you have the straps done up for the first time. So let's get this sorted. But these eyelets are really good. Like, they're definitely big enough to just hook the laces. They make it super easy. I feel like I'm kind of putting ice skates on. Oh yes, the white. It's like a Snow White type of vibe with rhinestones. Because we all love a bit of bling in our lives, don't we? Okay, let's go for a stroll. They look absolutely lovely. And these are a 6-inch heel, so they're a little bit smaller than the other boots that we've been reviewing. But boots have just been going crazy at Shoes of Hollywood at the moment. That's why we're reviewing so many, because they are selling so many. Everyone's coming in, the models love them for their shoots. and they're definitely a look this season. So let's go for a walk. Yeah, the 7s are a little bit smaller definitely than the 8. I would probably go an 8, but I'm still enjoying these. And the grippy bottoms are very easy to walk on carpet. And I'll just show you over here the bottoms of these, because I forgot before because I was carried away by the new shoe. So they're a bit grippy there. The heel's just like a normal heel. You can see how they fit. They are super, super cute. And then this is what all the others look like. So we've already had these reviewed recently. Go check that video out. This is them in a, without the rhinestone cutout, so without the dual heel bit at the front. And then they come in many different colors. I've just also reviewed these and some other silver ones, so they're not there. Okay, let's go outside and see what these look like in the sun. And you can check it out, but it is a bit overcast, so hopefully you can still see how nice they are. Ooh, look at me, white denim, white. Very fancy. They are super bright actually outside, which is kind of cool. So they're a 6-inch, they're a bit smaller than the other ones in this kind of range, but they're still easy to walk in, and I think they still elongate your legs and make them look very, very nice. And then I'll let you see in the sun. They are super bright white, and this type of material is really good for cleaning as well. If you get any scuffs or marks on them, you can just wipe them down because it's kind of like a shiny sort of vinyl. I really hope you love seeing this Blondie boot. I love the different style of this, and the rhinestones are just such a beautiful feature. I personally think the white is the better color than the baby pink. It's just so crisp and so bright. If you like this video, please let us know in the comments. We love our fans. You guys keep the show running, and we love hearing from you. So definitely write in the comments or just give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this. We love hearing from you. I'm Amanda Blanks, and I'll see you next time. Bye!